When you take a digital photograph, you're actually capturing much more than an image. Especially if you're using a mobile device, you're capturing date, time, and even where the picture was taken. Mobile devices have the ability to capture GPS information and location, and if you know how to look at the file, you can actually figure out where it was taken. This isn't just limited to things like your iPhone or other cell phones, but even point-and-shoots and some DSLRs. So let me show you what's involved in extracting this information, and more importantly, how to wash it out of there. So here we are in Lightroom, and we see this nice abstract of this building. And if I scroll down in my library, I'll see that this was taken with my iPhone 4S, and I've got that GPS information right here. Now if I highlight that and copy it, and then pop over to my web browser, I'm just going to paste that information in, and we'll see a map, a Google map that shows us exactly where that picture was taken. If I click on this and go to Street View, we'll see that this is Adobe's headquarters. That little bit of text told me exactly where the picture was taken. It's kind of scary, right? Let's look at how we get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to send this over to Photoshop by hitting Command E. Here's our image, and all we need to do to wash that information away is come up here to Save for Web. And we've got all sorts of things we can change here. We can change the size, but I'm just going to pass it through here exactly as it is. And let's call this Test Adobe, and we'll save it here. And now I'm going to pop over to Bridge, and we'll take a look at that same file. All right, here's the file, and I'm just going to switch workspaces to metadata. This is the information that sits next to these files. And we'll notice under GPS, there's no longer any information here. So you can turn off location services in most devices, and most of the places that you'd upload your files to, they're automatically washed of this information. But that doesn't apply to all social sites. There are still a lot of places that you might share your files where this information is stored. So hopefully that shows you a great way to wash away that GPS information.